Hello class, good morning. And today in our online classes, I have a topic linking. As we have seen, when we have started opening different web pages, I have to open one by one all in a different browsers. If we want, I may open one web page from there. I may do one click and all the pages whatever we want it may open in same browser in the same tab. So we have to do this work by making link of all the pages together. So HTML provide linking with the help of anchor tag. Anchor tag, that is a full form of a tag. So we have to use a tag for making a linking. Sorry. So an anchor tag provide two type of linking. First one is the internal linking and the next one is the external linking. Internal linking that work within the page, like a bookmark, like an index page in our book. I will show you example. If we want to go to the particular chapter, we are directly opening that particular page number, so we can reach directly to that chapter. And external linking means suppose we are studying the some topic, online topic, yeah. Suppose we are learning computer programming, yeah, Python we are learning. So Python, if we want to open, then we have to go to the particular book. Then we will get the content of the Python. So same as it is, we have an internal and external, and I will show you how the internal will work. Internal is provide facilities by that the computer will automatically scroll. That means all the information inside the web pages is shown in one page, and one page, that means information is backside or downside, we can say downside. If we want to read that particular information, we have to scroll, and if we want I may not scroll, only I may do one click, and all the information that we want it may automatically scroll. So for that purpose we are using the internal linking. So come, I will show one example by one web page that I have prepared. I will show you. So I have to open here browser, and from the Google Chrome, it is open here. I have to open radiusinfoservice.com. So look here. First I will show you all the information inside the one web page. Let me to scroll. Look here. It is showing here our services. It is showing here about clear our services. Now we have our portfolio. Then we have our team. Then we have our pricing. Then we have a name of the developer who has developed the web pages. Clear? So look here. If I want to go to the home web page, yeah, here our blog is given. Here contact us is also given. So if we want to go to directly top of the page, so what I will do, I will click on the home. And my dear students, please watch carefully. As I will click on the home, the web page will automatically scroll. Look, and it came to the home content. Now we have a about. As I will click here about, it will automatically scroll. Look, then we have a services, it will automatically scroll. Then we have a portfolio. Look, we have a team, we have a pricing, we have a blog, we have a contact us. Clear? So this is called internal linking. Now I will open another. And this web page is the example of external linking. If I want to go to the home, look here, index.php file is open and it is being loaded. Now I want to go to the category, so it is open another pages. The website is not being scrolled, items are changed, for example about us. Look here, another web page is open here, page number, file name is changed, so that is called as a what? Web pages. Clear? So this is an example of internal and external linking. My dear students, as you have seen, we have seen internal and external. Now what we have to do, we have to discuss how this web features we can establish. So anchor tag provide three attributes. First one is a title, another one is a href, that is a hyperreference, and the third one is a name. So if we are working with the internal linking, so we have to use all these three attributes. Name to set the bookmark, and href in the internal linking we will give the link of that particular bookmark. When I will click, the web page will bring you to that bookmark where it is displaying automatically. Web page will scroll. And if you want to give the tooltip text, so we have to use the title. Now you will confuse what is the tooltip text. So my dear student, tooltip text, I will show you one example. Look here, as I am going to the any folder or any text, some information are displaying. Item type is a png, file dimension is this much, and size is that much, and this box is called as a tooltip text. As you will bring the mouse pointer to the any of the folder, any of the icon, so it may give the information about that folder or that page, and it is called as a tooltip text. So I think you have understand. Now we have to work, but being the internal linking, one screen information will display at a time. So whenever you are going to bookmark, you have to design your page such like that whenever the particular bookmark may open, only information regarding that it may display at a screen. Others are automatically hide. That we have to keep in our mind in the internal linking. So come, we will design internal linking and we will see. So come my dear students, I will show you. So here what work I have to do, I have to make one image. So notepad I am taken, and in this, no, sorry, I have to open the MS Paint. Clear? And let me to take little more bigger. Clear? And I am going to fill this color. Clear? And I'm going to save this image with the name of img rect, and I saved on desktop. Extension is png. If you want to make jpg, select from here and click on save. Clear? Again control N, and I want to make a circle of that much area. So this much circle I'm going to make. In that I will fill the color blue, green, yeah, whatever that, and I will save by that image circle, and extension I have to take jpg. Clear? Now come, we will design page and we will see about the internal linking. First of all, my dear students, I have a two image of the this one and two image of the rectangle. So first I will design a normal web page and I will show you. So here HTML head, title, and the topic is internal linking. Title closed and I have a head closed. Now I will use body tag, and in the center I'm going to give information. This is this is example of internal linking, and center is closed. And then here I have given all the link a href is equal to. Now whatever the name, first you understand here, if you have given any bookmark and that link if you want to give, so here you have to use the anchor tag, that is the anchor tag a, and attribute is href hyper reference. So I have to give here href is equal to, and internal linking is defined with the hash symbol, hash, and I have given here rect, and then I have given here what, rectangle. Clear? And this all information is being displayed under the what, home. Look here, here I have defined a name is equal to home, that means I am giving one bookmark. This all information is inside the home bookmark. So whenever user will give this link, computer will bring you directly to that point from where the home is displaying. My dear student, I think you understand. Once more again, if you have to give the bookmark, you have to define by the name. If you are confusing with the bookmark, so please understand, if you want to give the link of any information, from that point you have to define a name is equal to link of that information. Any names you have to give, like a home, I will show you rectangle, so I will give the name rect. I have to show the circle, so I will give the names hash circle. Clear? Any name you can give. So here I am giving this all information is of the home web page, yeah, home bookmark, yeah, we can say it is the home, I mean the starting of the page. Either start you may use, either you may use the home, no problem. So this is your home information. In that what things I am going in the center I am displaying, this is example of internal linking, and one link of the slash a, like that. Look here, browser, let me to open, and in this one I have to open the Radiance, so let me to press enter. So look here, these all things given a link, home, about, services. As I am clicking on the about, it directly scroll and it is showing from where the about are displaying. Clear? So that link we are going to give, means we have written a name is equal to about, and then we have written this informations. Clear? As we are clicking on services, it may directly bring you where the services are displaying, then the portfolio. So these all are the link of that particular bookmark. So for the link we are writing a href is equal to whatever the names is written of this one, home, and I will show you web page source. Look here, that is a CSS, preloader, navigation bar, content, and it is given by the home section ID is equal to home. Clear? And then somewhere you may see where the links are given. Actually this is done by the CSS, so different ports are displaying, no problem, we will make that simple HTML files. So here rectangle, and then we have a link a, href is equal to hash circle, and then I have given the information circle slash a. If you want it may change the line, so you may use the br. If you want it may change 2 times line, then br. And then we will write some information. This is a web page that illustrate about internal linking, and here again line change. My dear student, I hope you have understand how to create line change br internal linking. Clear? So like that I may display, if because it is a class I cannot type lot of data, it will take too much time, and so what I will do, I will copy and paste. So control V, control V, control V. Now this one is being closed off home, so I will, what I will do, I will close the, this anchor tag is not closed. Clear? So I have to close the anchor tag. Anchor tag is very important to close. If you will not close here a, then all the informations it may show as a link. So if I will tell you once again, clear, how we will use syntax. You see once again syntax, I have not taught the syntax for the anchor tag. How we have to use, I have to use like that, a href is equal to name of link. Clear? And here text that may bring you to that page, and then I have to close the a. So here a is open and a is closed. A is closing is very compulsory, because if you will not close all the text, it may come in the form of what? Link. For my example, look here. Okay, I will show you. Clear? So look here, I am not closing a, both a I am not closing. So what you may get, okay, all the text it is linked. So first dot html, look here, first let it as to open, it may take little time. Look here, here all are linked, means every text if we will click, it may bring you that page. Look here. So if you want only rectangle and circle, it will treat like a link hypertext. So what we have to do, after this I have to close the angle bracket here, and then here also. Then you may understand what it will be happen here. Refresh. Look here, this only it is a link, and this is a hypertext. Hypertext name we are writing regarding to the what? Content. For example, my dear student, I may open here google.com. So let's, Google page has to open. Look here, it is given here Gmail. So we all know that if I will click here, what it will open? Gmail page. I will show you. Look here. So they are going to open the Gmail. It is my login. So it is showing here loading Gmail. Clear? So look here, that is the what? Gmail. Now same as it is a link. So how much text we want to make as a hypertext, and this is called as a hypertext. The text which may redirect you to the another page, it is called as a what? Hypertext, and it is a what? Home page, and it is showing this example of internal linking. So my dear students, it is showing here. Now I will do here font size is equal to 12, then the size is will increase. Clear? that is the largest size. Okay, so 64 and up to the 14 I can watch. Okay, let me to do some more paste here. I'll copy and then paste and then paste and then paste. Look here, this is a one page informations. Now we have to scroll. Clear? This is too much, so let me to decrease some lines. Yeah, clear? So now what we have to do, if we want it may come to the same line, so here we do not need to use, I have to use before this one pre-tag, pre-formatted, and I will give some space and then I will use, and then I will close here pre-tag. Now look here, it came into the same rectangle. Now my dear students, we have to start the another information, so I will define here a name is equal to rect. Whatever the name you are using here, same name you have to give in the linking. Look here with the hashtag has rect I have written, and what is this rect? This is a rect of this information. Now that means we are defining the block of the rectangle is started now, and I will write here first off link a href is equal to has home. I will give one link to go directly to the starting of the page, and then br I am going to write here center. This is the information about the rectangle, and then center is closed, and then I am going to display here two image src is equal to image1.png, and again image src is equal to image of rect.jpg. Clear? And then I have closed the a tag, control s, and I'm going to the browser, and I'm refreshing here. As I will click to rectangle, look here, it automatically scroll and information came here. Look here, if I will go up, it may show like that. As I will click here home, look, it came directly to there. So that is called as a internal linking. Let me to change the line here, and then rectangle directly home. This is your information about the rectangle. Clear? Home, it went, rectangle, it came. And then again same thing we are going to define for the circle also. So what I will do here, name is equal to circle, and what the name I have given in the linking, I will check my dear student here, it is given here circle. So here I will also start a name circle, and then image 2, and then image circle. So I will go once more, home, refreshed, home, circle. Look here, again I have to change the line here, so I will change here br, and actually it is very bigger, so 2-3 lines I will change, so it may come to the proper informations. Home, circle, home. Clear? So this is called internal linking. By that we will do. I hope you have understand. So thank you class, and let me to close this all. So these all informations we have seen how we are doing the internal linking. In the next class we will see how to use the external class. Thank you.